In this session, I am going to explain about the solubility of a gas in a liquid. The solubility of gases in liquids increases with increase of pressure. That means if you increase the pressure on the liquid surface, the solubility of gas in liquid increases. The quantitative relation between the pressure and the solubility of a gas in a liquid is known as Henry's law. That means Henry's law gives a quantitative relation between pressure and solubility of gas in a solvent. Okay, let us know the statement of Henry's law. At a constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas present above the surface of a liquid or solution. Henry's law can also be stated as the partial pressure of the gas in vapor phase, that is small p, is proportional to the mole fraction of the gas, that is small x, in the solution. The mathematical expression for Henry's law is small p is equal to capital KH into small x, where KH is the Henry's law constant and small p is the vapor pressure of a gas, x is the mole fraction of a gas. Okay, Henry's law constant, that is KH. Higher the value of KH at a given pressure, the lower is the solubility of a gas in the liquid. That means solubility of gas in liquid and Henry's law constant are inversely related. That means if KH value is high, the solubility of gas in liquid is low. A gas which is more soluble in a given liquid has low KH value, but a gas which is less soluble in a given liquid has high KH value. The aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water than in warm water. Give reason. Because the solubility of gases increases with decrease of temperature. Hence, the aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water rather than in warm water, because in cold water there will be sufficient amount of oxygen gas dissolved, but in warm water, since there is a high temperature, there will be presence of small amount of oxygen dissolved, which makes aquatic species to feel suffocation. Okay, let us know applications of Henry's law. It is used in the preparation of carbonated beverages. It is used by scuba divers for respiration. It is used by mountain climbers for respiration. Okay, the soda bottle is sealed under high pressure. What is the reason? To increase the solubility of carbon dioxide in soft drinks and soda water, the bottle is sealed under high pressure, because if the bottle is sealed under high pressure, the solubility of gas in liquid increases with increase in the pressure. The tanks used by scuba divers under deep sea are filled with air diluted with helium. Give reason. The tanks used by scuba divers under deep sea are filled with air diluted with helium to avoid bends and toxic effects of nitrogen gas, because nitrogen blocks blood capillaries, which is painful and dangerous to life. The people living at high altitudes become weak and unable to think clearly. What is the reason? The people living at high altitudes become weak and unable to think clearly due to the low solubility or low concentration of oxygen in the blood because of low partial pressure of oxygen at high altitude, and this kind of condition is known as anoxia. Okay, let us know the effect of temperature on the solubility of gas in a liquid. The solubility of gas in a liquid decreases with rise in temperature because the dissolution of gas in liquid is an exothermic process. Since that process itself is evolving heat, if you increase the temperature, the solubility of gas in a liquid decreases. Effect of pressure on the solubility of a gas in a liquid. The solubility of a gas in a liquid increases with rise in pressure. You can see in the following diagram. On applying pressure on the surface of liquid containing gas, there will be increase in the solubility of a gas in a liquid.